Hi guys, today we are going to Nottingham, to the Nottingham Caravan and Camping Club site to meet up with some fellow Consort Motorhome owners. Hope it's good weather. Welcome to the Nottingham Caravan and Camping Club site. Please subscribe to be notified of any future videos. Hi everybody. We are now at Nottingham Caravan and Camping Club site. This was originally Thornton's Holt camping park, but was purchased by the Caravan and Camping Club in 2023. As you arrive, you head for reception. At reception, there is also a coffee shop. Morning guys.
Morning.
It also has a small shop with some essential items like balls and bats, ice creams, drinks, chocolates. Also a coffee shop where you can get a lovely cup of coffee, some cakes, books, games and DVDs. There's a lovely seating area to sit outside and have your cup of coffee. As you come through the barrier, there are two different areas, the paddock and the orchard. These are the hard standings. The site is open all year. There are a lot of grass standings. The ones on the right have the reinforcement mesh underneath for use when it's not too wet. And then we've got more hard standings at the top. This is the orchard. This obviously is the grass pitches that are used when the ground is suitable. This is looking back from the top end of the orchard. Plenty of grass pitches. One's round the outside with electric. One's in the centre, presumably for tents. No electric. This area at the moment is all closed off. This is purely grass pitches. As you can see, they've all got electric points around the outside. There is a very tiny bit of road noise, but the bird song drowns out the road noise. There is Wi-Fi on site, and actually it's quite a good strength Wi-Fi. There are masts scattered all over the site. And as we come through this closed section, we come in to the paddock. And this is where we are parked, and where all our friends from the Consort owners, who will arrive later today, we'll all be parked together here. As you come round, this is the facilities block. We'll have a look round that later. You have to go round the facilities block for the motorhome service point. As you go round, at the end of the building is a pot wash for the orchard and the children's play area. Oh, there's a basketball court. There's all sorts of things for the kiddies. And then you come round, they're actually doing some building works at the moment. But to the right, we have the motorhome service point. Interesting placement. You can get in with the motorhome, but it's a little bit tight. Draw in and back up into that area, or draw into that area and back into the service point. Not the most accessible service point I've ever seen, but it's okay, not a problem. As you enter the toilet block, you have the family room to the left, gents and ladies, and the laundry room. Left to the family room, the gents, the ladies, and we'll have a look in the laundry room. There is a single washer and a dryer. And another sink at the other side. Oh, there's an ironing board too. Maybe there's an iron somewhere. Within the family room, there are actually a couple of family rooms. Let's have a look in the gents section of the toilets. The toilets to the left, sinks to have a shaving. And I just love these showers. As you go in, you have got a seating area which is cordoned off. You have your shower area, a sink and a mirror. Plenty of room to keep your clothes dry and everything else. There's another pot wash area just to the right hand side of the toilet block. Then you have the chemical disposal point down the right hand side of the toilet block. Opposite the entrance to the facilities block is the rubbish disposal. Then we come round to the left. We've got the orchard. Quite a few vans left this morning. But we've got 5 other Consort Motorhome Owners coming to join us for the first meet of the Consort Owners Group. I'll show you those a little later. One thing I forgot to mention is the site is close to an airport, and they do flying lessons from that airport, so there is a little bit of aircraft noise. And also, if you have a drone, this is a definite no-fly zone. When it was Thornton Holt camping park, they did have an indoor swimming pool, but unfortunately this has now got into a state of disrepair and would cost too much to renovate and would not be cost effective for the camping and caravan club to refurbish. Well, this is the first meet for the Consort Motorhome Group. 6 of us all meeting up, all with Consort Motorhomes. A superb, friendly group of guys and ladies. All at the Nottingham Caravan and Camping site. What a fantastic, friendly group of people we met. On the Saturday night, we all went to the Shepherd's Rest for a meal. They do a carvery 7 days a week. I had the calzone, excellent. Val had the carvery. She was very impressed for the price. Well, the Nottingham Caravan and Camping Club site. It's a lovely site. It was only bought in 2023 and opened last year. There's a lot of work being done to it. There's still quite a bit of work to be done. The cafe is lovely for a nice cup of coffee and a piece of cake. The best thing on the site is the amenities block. Always kept very, very clean. And the showers are probably the best showers that I've been in on any club site. There's a park and ride at the Shepherd's Pub, which is only 5 minutes walk away, and the buses into Nottingham are every 20 minutes. So you can go and explore Nottingham any time of day. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a comment, give it the thumbs up and subscribe for any future videos.